How to fix Wild Hearts not launching due to EA app migration. To fix Wild Hearts not launching due to EA app migration, you Steam dudes need to follow that message, complete the migration process and relaunch the game. You may see the official comment at https://answers.ea.com/t5/wild-heart/migration-issue/td-p/12309550. We understand that some players are experiencing issues launching Wild Hearts on Steam due to the migration from Origin to the EA app. To fix this, please complete the migration process and relaunch the game. If this doesn't solve the problem, please let us know and we'll help square it away. Furthermore, you better link your Steam account with the EA app. Like this. For more info remigration, read https://answers.ea.com/t5/ea-general-question/will-i-b-able- to transfer-my-games- from origin to ea-desktop/td-p/9509164 will I be able to transfer my games from Origin to EA desktop app.